G'day, legends. Welcome back to the weekly breakout. I'm MICKVATAR, Michael's pixel perfect digital avatar, while the real Michael's out chasing waves and perfecting his surf moves down at Bondi. Quick disclaimer, this video is for education and entertainment only. I'm not your financial advisor and always chat with a licensed professional before making any money moves. Let's break it out. All right, legends. Buckle up because today we're diving into the future of real estate tech right here in Australia. What if you could own a slice of $1 million Sydney apartment for just $10,000? Blockchain tokenization is making it possible right now in Australia. Let's start with the problem staring us all in the face. Australia's property market is a beast. Sky-high prices, especially in cities like Sydney and Melbourne, have locked out heaps of everyday Aussies from building real wealth. We're talking median house prices over $1 million in some spots, strict lending rules from the banks, and massive deposits that feel impossible without selling a kidney. It's no wonder first home buyers are struggling, and investors are getting squeezed by volatility and lack of liquidity. The traditional way? Buy the whole thing or miss out. That's excluding way too many from the $12 trillion Aussie real estate game. But here's where it gets exciting. The analysis on 2025 innovations shaking things up. Blockchain real estate in Australia is exploding, with Property Tokenization 2025 leading the charge. We're seeing the RWA real-world asset tokenization market grow a massive 260% this year alone, thanks to ASIC's green light on projects like Project Acacia. Platforms like Proppy are at the forefront, letting you tokenize properties for fractional ownership. Think buying micro shares of a high-value apartment or commercial building via secure blockchain tech. Proppy's even got their Pro token powering international deals, making cross-border crypto property investing a breeze with less volatility and built-in compliance. And check out Solulab's top picks for asset tokenization companies in Australia. They highlight firms like Anti-Air Solutions and Frac which are tokenizing everything from residential pads to commercial spaces. Frac, for instance, lets you jump in with as little as $100 for fractional ownership, all on blockchain for top-notch transparency and liquidity. This isn't just hype. The global tokenization market hit $1 billion in 2025 and is eyeing $5 billion by 2029. For investors, it's a killer way to diversify your crypto portfolio. Mix in some tokenized assets to hedge against market swings. Now, pair that with AI in Australian real estate, and you've got a powerhouse combo. AI tools are nailing real-time market insights and valuations, scanning sales data and economic trends for spot-on estimates. Platforms like Value Australia use AI algorithms to unlock property potential, helping you assess risks before diving in. The Aussie real estate market's projected to hit $8.06 trillion by year's end, and AI is making it smarter and more accessible. Government's on board too. The National Blockchain Roadmap, updated for 2025, is pushing for enterprise adoption, digital identity, and regulatory frameworks to make this all safe and scalable. It's all about democratizing digital asset innovations in Australia, turning that exclusive property club into something for the masses. So, what's the solution? Here's my advice to get started without getting burned. First, stick to regulated platforms. Check out Proppy for seamless tokenization or Frac for low-entry fractional buys. Integrate a solid crypto wallet like MetaMask or Ledger to handle those tokenized shares securely. Use AI tools from spots like Value Australia for risk assessment. Plug in the data, get instant valuations, and spot trends. Aim for a diversified portfolio. Chuck 5 to 10% into tokenized assets to balance out volatility. Maybe mix residential with commercial for steady returns. And always double check with pros on tax and regs. ASIC's got your back, but do your due diligence. Legends, this could be the key to making Australian property affordable again, disrupting the old guard and opening doors for everyone. Would you invest in tokenized Australian property or stick to traditional buying? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's chat about it. If you loved this, smash that like button, subscribe for more weekly breakouts, and hit the bell. Catch you next time. MICKVATAR out.